What's going on, guys? This is Mike with Get Lowered Cycles, and today we're taking a look at the Trask internal fairing support for 98 to 2013 road glides. Alright, so one thing this Trask piece does is it completely eliminates all external supports for your road glide fairing. So instead of just taking them off, letting it hang there, you can actually take off your crash guard, take off those brackets. This all goes inside the fairing, so there's nothing visible at all once it's all installed, and provides plenty of support for your outer fairing. So let's get to it and get it installed. All right, we got our outer fairing off according to the HC manual. Pulled all that off of here. We're going to loosen up these two nuts, install the right side of the Trask support fairing first. Got our center piece on there, the right side bracket. We're gonna put this up on here. All right, we got the right side on. We're just gonna keep everything loose for now until we get the left side on, and then we're gonna snug it all up. All right, so we got our right side bolted on, left side is bolted on as well, and then this all bolts to the center fairing bracket here, just stiffens everything up and makes it nice and tight. All right, so we got the inner fairing in the highest position, the fairing support is in the lowest position, and we can hold it and then tighten up these four nuts, and that's pretty much it for the install. All right, we're gonna take our wiring, tuck it back up into this U-bracket here, just tidy everything up with some zip ties, and then it's time to put the outer fairing back on. All right, so there you have it. The Trask internal support brace is installed on this road glide, so you are internally and emotionally supported. This was a super easy install, pretty much anybody can do it. You can find this internal fairing support and many other parts just like it at getloweredcycles.com. See you.